Stocks, forex, crypto, gold. Beginners hear these words every day, but most people don't know that all of these belong to one big system called financial markets. Welcome to the channel. If you're a beginner and want to understand trading and investing in simple English, this channel is for you. In this video, we'll answer one basic but very important question. What are financial markets? Once you understand this, everything else becomes easier. What are financial markets? Financial markets are places where money is traded. Instead of buying physical goods like clothes or cars, people buy and sell financial assets such as shares of companies, currencies, gold and oil, bonds, and digital assets. All these markets together are called financial markets. Why financial markets exist? Financial markets connect people who have money with businesses and governments that need money. For example, a company wants to grow, a government needs funds, an investor wants returns. Financial markets make this exchange possible in an organized way. Types of financial markets are stock market. This is where shares of companies are traded. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of a company. Examples: New York Stock Exchange, Pakistan Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange. Next is forex market. This is where currencies are traded. For example, US dollar versus euro, pound versus dollar. The forex market is the largest financial market in the world. Next is commodity market. This market deals with physical goods like gold, silver, oil, wheat. Prices move based on global demand and supply. Next is bond market. Here, governments and companies borrow money from investors. In simple words, you lend money, you earn interest. This market is popular among long-term investors. Next is crypto market. This includes digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is newer and more volatile compared to traditional markets. All of these together form financial markets. Are financial markets risky? Yes, financial markets involve risk, but the biggest risk is lack of knowledge. People lose money because they follow tips, they don't manage risk, they expect fast profits. With proper education and discipline, financial markets become structured and manageable. Now that you understand what financial markets are, the next step is to dive deeper into each one. In the next videos, we'll focus only on these markets and explain it from zero. If you want to learn trading and investing step by step, subscribe to the channel.